So the biggest iOS glitch has happened. If you're on iOS 12.1 or higher, you are affected by this glitch. It's the group FaceTime exploit. And basically it's an exploit where you can FaceTime somebody, but the other person don't have to answer it. So they're automatically gonna be put into a FaceTime call and they didn't even answer it. They didn't do nothing. So this glitch occurred last night. The time is recording. Apple has shut down the group FaceTime servers, so they are gonna work on this fix. I think they're gonna drop an update, but for now, Apple has completely shut down the group FaceTime, so you can't do this exploit right now. But some users are claiming that the server is still online, so I recommend you guys turn off your FaceTime. The time of this recording, I still didn't turn off my FaceTime because I don't really get FaceTimes like that. I'm gonna do it right now, and this is how you do it. I'm gonna turn on my screen recorder right now so you guys can see how to do it. Boom! This is how you do it. All right, so you go into your settings application. So the settings app, you just go into FaceTime, and then you go into turn off FaceTime, just like that, and you're done, and now you're secure. So it is all over the news. A bunch of YouTubers are making videos about this exploit, and there are some YouTubers are saying, I'm not gonna trust Apple. I can't mess with Apple after this. But you guys gotta understand that companies make mistakes. Look at the Samsung Note 7 fiasco. Exploding on planes and all of that. But people are still buying the Notes, or people are still buying Galaxies. People are still buying Android devices. You gotta forgive some companies. And Apple has made a bunch of mistakes too in the past, but we still buy their products. People are still buying AirPods and iPhones and stuff like that. So that's pretty much it. I actually cannot do this because, like I said, Apple has shut down the group FaceTime servers, and that's pretty much it. Everybody's going crazy over it. Shout out to the person who was the first to show this glitch. Something so easy to do, and it just makes the whole internet explode, man. Everybody's talking about it. Wait until a new update, which is possibly iOS 12.1.3, and that should be able to fix that glitch. I think Apple should definitely have it where they disable the add the phone number feature until a FaceTime call is connected, and then have that option to connect another number. I think that's what they're probably gonna do, but hey, we gotta wait and see. As I was editing this video, guys, this was a known issue. Like, this issue been around. One user reported this issue to Apple. They sent emails, they chat with them, they did X, Y, and Z. They made YouTube videos, and they try to make Apple aware of this issue, but Apple didn't do nothing. They didn't do crap. Since it's blowing out of proportion, everybody and their grandma know about this issue now. So now Apple want to rush out and fix it. Apple need to take their security a little bit more serious, because if someone reports a security flaw or something like that, you should be able to take action right away. To make things crazy is they just dropped an update the other day, iOS 12.1.2, so they didn't fix the issue whatsoever. Even the little guys, even the smallest creators, if they see a security flaw, you should be able to patch it up and see if you can resolve the issue. It shouldn't come to this where it's blown out of proportion in a good way. We reporting it to Apple, then you want to rush out and fix it. You want to start turning off servers. I just feel like that's a little ridiculous. And yeah, that's pretty much it. Let me know down in the comments down below what you guys think. And yeah, subscribe if you're new around here with notifications on. Drop a like on the video because it helped me out a bunch. And I'm out. Peace. Smack you guys with my iPhone.